Oh my god. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alex. I do a lot of things in regards to my international love story with my husband. I do a lot of makeup things, and I just do makeup challenges because why not? They're really fun. So today I know I'm super late. Also, I wanted to address a comment I had in regards to someone asked me to upload in HD. So, this whole time I thought I was recording in HD, but apparently I wasn't. Oops. And, I was uploading in HD, but apparently the recording didn't go through as HD, so I do apologize. Bear with me in the next few videos. Hopefully I'll get that taken care of. Hopefully I'll keep increasing the quality of my videos because I really don't want you guys to suffer through low quality because I hate low quality. Today is going to be another Earfleek unboxing. Unfortunately, I'm super late because this is a March. I usually get them to the end of the month, so it's almost the next month anyway, so I'm sorry. Also, I know I reached 100 subscribers, so not only is this going to be an Earfleek unboxing, but this is also going to be a giveaway, so if you would like to receive an Earfleek subscription for 1 month, all you have to do is like this video and comment below to be entered to win. So anyway, we have the Earfleek. Of course, it's the same backing, same everything, and nothing has changed. However, they do have other tiers now that you can get, and I think they give you more. This is under $5, so it's the cheapest subscription out there as far as I know. So looking inside, we have a card. We have a card and bubble wrap, so we're going to go ahead and look at the card. So it looks just like your standard welcome card, which is really cool. Normally they give us hair ties for the first two, I think, that I unboxed, but I don't think they send those anymore. That was sad because that hair tie was really awesome. So in this one, they give you a tattoo, which is really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see the color or not. And here we go. So it looks like these are the earrings. Oh my god. So these are the earrings inside the package, kind of loopy, really cool. They have the fish hooks to them. Every earring, they are connected by these little plastic tubes here. So I'll give you a show of what they look like on. So here is what they look like on. As you can see, they're just a bunch of gold bands together. I think they're really pretty. Like, I really like them. Sorry, I'm just looking at them in the mirror. They seem really good quality. There's no mercury in them. So for me, this is definitely a thumbs up. I love the subscription so much that I want to give you guys a chance to have your own Earfleek experience. And this is international, so no matter where in the world you are, you can enter. If you don't want to use it for yourself, it makes a good gift. So make sure to like this video, comment for your chance to win, and subscribe if you like these kind of videos. I did also want to talk about the 200 subscriber and 300 subscriber mark, assuming I get there, but I know you guys are awesome, so we are going to get there. So at 200 subscribers, I'm going to have my husband record international love story, but his side of the story and how he told everyone about us. And at 300 subscribers, I'm actually going to do a video fully in Hindi, which is really awesome. I'm excited and kind of scared about. So guys, make sure to check out my next video. It's going to be a face mask testing video. And then the video after that is going to be my trip to India, what I thought and what I actually found out when I got there. It's just going to be like pictures of India that I took and with some dialogue. So I hope you guys are ready for that. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.